Hello everyone. Hello everyone. So so I will show you my project poster detection system. I built it during my internship at CTTC Bhubaneswar. The main goal was to help people check if their posture is correct or not. Look. So going forward to the next page, the project overview is like this. The As I told you, my aim. So talking about why this project. Many people, especially students and officers, sit for a long hours. So wrong posture can cause back pain, neck pain, and health issues. Our system uses AI plus AML, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning. ML means the ability to learn itself without being explicitly programmed. Explicitly programmed means without using if and else to automatically detect the posture in real time. So what tools and model we used? So we used HTML for the web page structure. We use CSS for the website for look with Bootstrap for looking good and responsive, and PF5JS for drawing videos, key points, and skate later on screen like this. So uh, tools and model used. We mainly use MoveNet. We mainly use MoveNet and AI model as well as BlazePose, and model from Google. It is fast. MoveNet is fast and also works in browser, but BlazePose is slower. So we studies about MoveNet that it has 17 keys and BlazePose that has 39 keys. And talking about MoveNet, uh, it has trained on Coco and active data set, and it first scans your image and bodies, then find parts and refine your location. And talking about BlazePose, recently we saw that it was built by Google too, and it was works similarly. It scans your body, find the key points, and create heat maps like this. So we have used MoveNet in this project as MoveNet is faster. So going looking forward to MoveNet. So this is how MoveNet architecture look like. So is based on CNN model. So first our first our camera took the input as video, and then SCN, and from the video we took the corner or filter and placed it on the video, and through which we stride, move column by column, and placed uh, extract the max, mean, or average, whatever the user decides, and put them in the matrix, which is given as output. In simple words, our AI looks at your camera feed and finds your body parts and check if your posture is correct or not. So cool things our system do. Our system shows you your skeleton on screen, gives a confidence score 0 to 1, which is manually set on the screen, which is 0.1%, that is 10%. You can set 0.2, 0.3, but for the betterment, I have set 0.1. So it tests good posture if it is near 0, if bad posture, uh, good posture if it is near 1, if bad posture if it is near 0. It works on laptop, mobile, and any browser. Because I have deployed this, I'll be providing the link on the description, and you can go and check out. So it also gives to correct your position. But currently, it has only one posture provided. It can be we can work on this more and more. So what we problem solved. After that, we'll talk about our future scopes. Sorry. Mm, so what we problem faced, we made it fast so it runs smoothly. We made it accurately using confidence score. It works on all device and with responsive design using Bootstrap. We have clear and simple tips on the screen. So the future scopes are, we can detect multiple posture. We can track our posture history and add fall elements like games or challenges, give voice feedback, store data online for analysis. During our internships, we worked on real-time projects like face detection system, cloud detection system to work on different ML models like data cleaning, data processing, mm, and also creating and analyzing the maps related to any data, and how to clean data, and how to remove if any unwanted value is there. We also train the data and calculate many models. We use tools like Spider, Jupyter, and build these projects. So the output is like this. The AI gives a confidence score 0 to 1 for each detected body part depending on key points. And the AI scores near 1, which I have previously explained. You can read here. I will wait for 2 to 3 seconds. You can read here or take a screenshot. And this is how our website looks like. It looks different as I have deployed it. It does not runs on localhost now. It is rendered already. So it confidence score with key point changes with server and camera body view on live screen. It the x and y, x shows the left part, y shows the right part of the key points, and it is viewed on the screen. So the problem we solve, we have already talked about it. So future scope also we have talked about is that you can save data and create a database where you can store data. And the conclusion is that the project gives us hand-on experience in AI, web development, and real-time application. It also shows AI can solve everyday's problem in a fun and useful way. So basically, the AI looks at your posture and tells you if it is good or bad. And we have recorded our video in the previous YouTube video. You can click on the link or search, go in my channel and search for the posture detection system. And I comment for the code. I can provide you the code, and please do contribute in my GitHub repo. Thank you.